Just hold. Here we are in Sweden, a wonderful town, Vexjö. So some Swedish citizen and Swedish people and some people supporting the situation in Palestine, supporting the victims of Palestine, and some people are gathered there. They're going to arrange a demonstration around 12 o'clock, and we have some local community supporting this demonstration. We want to take the opinion what is going on here. Hello. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Well, I can see the local people are gathered here to support a kind of demonstration. Would you please explain what you think, why you are here?
Well, I'm here because I support Palestine. I've known about the atrocities since the 60s, and I've always supported Palestine and the Palestinian people.
Support means supporting the demonstration or the situation, what is going on in
I know what's happening in Gaza, and I know what's happening in the West Bank. It's terrible. It's atrocities, and it's against human thinking, really.
Mm-hmm. I can see you have a kind of paper
Yes.
with the pictures and headlines about what is written in Swedish here.
The death in Gaza.
The death in Gaza.
4 times more children are killed than in Ukraine, because they talk so much about Ukraine these days. But there are 4 times more children killed in Gaza than on the whole time in Ukraine.
Mm-hmm. So as a European citizen, you take the initiative and support the Palestine. You think you're going to have any kind of consequences in your local area because you're a European citizen?
I don't care.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So
I've been to Palestine in 2014.
Mm-hmm.
I visited Palestine and I saw what they were doing there.
Great.
And
Wonderful.
It's terrible.
Wonderful. Appreciate your time. Thank you.